To use Chase Hotel Credit, you need to understand the basics of the program and how to redeem your rewards. First, check your Chase credit card details to see if it offers a hotel credit benefit. Many Chase cards, such as the Chase Sapphire Preferred and Reserve, offer this perk. Next, review the terms and conditions of your hotel credit to know the annual credit amount, eligible hotels, and any restrictions. Typically, the credit can be used towards hotel stays, room upgrades, or other on-site expenses. To redeem your Chase Hotel Credit, start by booking a stay at an eligible hotel through the Chase Travel Portal or directly with the hotel. Ensure that the booking is made using your Chase credit card, as this is usually a requirement for the credit to be applied. When checking out, inform the hotel staff that you have a hotel credit to apply to your bill. They will then deduct the credit amount from your total bill. Alternatively, if you booked through the Chase Travel Portal, the credit may be automatically applied at checkout. It is essential to keep track of your hotel credit balance and expiration date to avoid missing out on the benefit. You can do this by logging into your Chase online account or contacting Chase customer service. To maximize the value of your Chase Hotel Credit, consider using it towards luxury hotel stays or high-end room upgrades. Additionally, combine your hotel credit with other travel rewards or loyalty program points to get the most out of your benefits. By following these steps and understanding the terms of your Chase Hotel Credit, you can enjoy discounted or free hotel stays and make the most of your credit card rewards. Always review the program details and plan ahead to ensure you get the best value from your hotel credit.